In this video, I'm going to talk about how to download Facebook app in Windows 11 and how we can do it. So let's get started. So first of all, what you need to do is you have to go over here in the search, type here for Microsoft Store, and what you need to do is you have to click on the Microsoft Store. Once you get into the Microsoft Store, what you need to do is you just need to wait. So this is actually a marketplace where you'll be getting all the paid as well as free apps. So go over here at the top. Now we need to search here for Facebook and just go for enter. So you'll be getting all the details of Facebook. As you can see, you have to click on the first one over here. So this is actually the app of Facebook. For me, I have already downloaded. So you have to click on this button. You will be having get icon. So just click on it. So it will be downloaded. Once after download, either as you can see, the face will be downloaded. So if you wanted to pin it on the taskbar after the download, you have to just go over here, search here for Facebook. Then what you need to do is you have to click on pin to start. So when you click on pin to start, what happens is the Facebook will be pinned to the start menu over there. And that is how we can do it. And also make sure you can also make few things like, we can pin to the taskbar and also app setting and all those things. So I'll keep this on the pin to taskbar. So right now, as you can see, I'm having the Facebook icon here. So whenever if I wanted to log in, what I need to do is just go over here, click on this one so I can log in and I have to check. So these are the steps and I hope this quick video is helpful. That's it. Bye.